Good morning, students. Today we will start our second unit, AI project cycle. So, AI project cycle is a framework to design AI project. It is mainly consist of five steps: naming, problem scoping. Second one is data acquisition, data exploration, modeling, and evaluation. Let us overview these five steps. First one is problem scoping. So what is problem scoping? This includes scoping the problem which you wish to solve with the help of your project. Means to analyze the problem, to scope, to scan the problem. And the second one is data acquisition. This step includes acquiring the data for AI project. And third one is data exploration. In data exploration, we explore the data with the help of visualization. Data visualization. Third one is data modeling. So this include looking at different AI enabled algorithms, going through several models and select the ones which match your requirements and then implement the chosen model. We will implement our algorithms to suit the to match your requirements and then choose model, implement the chosen model. And third one is evaluation. This is the final stage of AI project cycle. This include deploying the concerned model in the real world. Okay, so in detail, we first discuss what is problem scoping. So what is problem? Problem is a situation regarded as unwelcomed or harmful and needed to be dealt and overcome. So what is scoping? Scoping means to investigate or to scan. For example, in games environment, usually in PUBG and Free Fire games, with the help of the periscope, uh, we scan the environment of the game and then investigate the things in games environment. So we can also take a example here. Uh, uh, in today's, for example, in COVID-19 pandemic, so it is unwelcomed. किसी ने इसको बुलाया नहीं है कि कोविड 19 है वो आए, कोरोना वायरस है वो आए, उसका किसी ने वेलकम नहीं किया है। तो ये जो सिचुएशन है ये अनवेलकम सिचुएशन है और हार्मफुल भी है एंड नीडेड टू बी डील करना जरूरी है। इस प्रॉब्लम से हमें डील करना भी जरूरी है और इस प्रॉब्लम को से ओवरकम करना भी जरूरी है। सो प्रॉब्लम स्कोपिंग ये है कि आप जो भी प्रॉब्लम उसको एनालाइज करो, उसको स्कोप करो और फिर उस प्रॉब्लम से ओवरकम हो। प्रॉब्लम स्कोपिंग रेफर्स टू अंडरस्टैंडिंग ए प्रॉब्लम, मीन्स प्रॉब्लम्स को अंडरस्टैंड करना, फाइंड द वेरियस फैक्टर्स विच अफेक्ट द प्रॉब्लम। Under problem scoping, we use framework of 4WS. So what is 4WS? Who, what, where and why. So in detail, the 4WS frameworks to understand step by step how problem scoping is done, कि किस तरीके से problem scoping को किया जाना है। The 4WS problem canvas helping to identify four crucial parameters. So, what are the four crucial parameters? Who, what, when, and why. So, first one is who. So, who blocks help you in analyzing the people getting affected directly or indirectly due to its known as stakeholder, जिनको हम stakeholders के नाम से भी जानते हैं। तो who, for example, if we talking about the agriculture, so who are the stakeholders? The farmers are the stakeholders who are directly or indirectly affected. Second one is what, find out what is the nature of the problem. Means here we have to find the nature of the problem and gathering evidence from newspaper article, media and announcements. And third one is where, focusing on the context, situation, location of the problem, where the problem is exist. In actually the where is problem is exist. And the last one is why, benefits which are which the stakeholders would get from the solution and how would it benefit them as well as society। किस तरीके से हमें उन स्टेक होल्डर्स को जो बेनिफिट है वो मिलेगा और किस तरीके से वो बेनिफिट है सोसाइटी के लिए भी हेल्पफुल होगा। सो let us now learn how to scope a problem। look around, you and select a theme which interests you the most. Suggested themes are here a list of themes I have prepared. So first one is environment. You can choose environment theme, your theme as a environment, agriculture, traffic infrastructure, health, security, education, digital literacy, women safety, transport, entertainment, cyber security, travel, tourism, disability, social welfare, and research. You can also choose your theme from the go goals theme, where we have discussed in our first unit 17 goals were discussed there, so you can choose from there. So now try doing it for the problem you have chosen. तो किस तरीके से हमें प्रॉब्लम को एनालाइज करना है, किस तरीके से उस प्रॉब्लम को फाइनलाइज करना है। तो ये जैसे यहाँ पे मैंने फर्स्ट स्टेप जो हमने 4WS में हमने किया था, फर्स्ट वन इज हु। सो नेम द स्टेक होल्डर्स। तो जो आपने थीम चूज की है वहां पे उस थीम के में स्टेक होल्डर्स के आपको नेम मेंशन करने हैं। सेकंड, फाइंड आउट मोर अबाउट स्टेक होल्डर्स। तो उसके बारे में आप किस तरीके से और ज्यादा जो इंफॉर्मेशन है वो कैसे ले सकते हो, कहाँ से ले सकते हो, या किस तरीके से आपको इंफॉर्मेशन वहां पे गैदर करके कलेक्ट करना है। Third one is, sorry, second is our what, 4WS second point is what. So what is the problem here? You have to mention your problem here. And the next one is list the evidence which shows that it is a problem. So here we have to gather, collect the evidences that will show the actual problem, that it is a problem or not a problem. And third one is where. The 4WS third point is where. List the context or situation in which the stakeholders experience the problem. Here we have to mention the location of the problem and where the problem located. Fourth one is why. Why this solution to be value to the stakeholders, कि जो हम सॉल्यूशन उस प्रॉब्लम का जो पर्टिकुलर सॉल्यूशन है वो दे रहे हैं यूजर्स स्टेक होल्डर्स को, वो किस तरीके से उसको बेनिफिट देगा, क्या सॉल्यूशन होगा और किस तरीके से बेनिफिट देगा और किस तरीके से वो स्टेक होल्डर्स को और मीन्स उसको इम्प्रूव करेगा वहां पे। So thank you class. In our next video we will discuss data acquisition and more about AI project cycle. So I have also given you a project regarding the themes. I will share you the link in your Google Classroom. So thank you class. Have a good day.